Hello everyone, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see how to install Simplenote on ParrotOs version 3.9. Simplenote version 1.0.8, the most recent update, is a light, clean and free note-taking application that works on platforms such as iOS, Android, Mac, Windows, Linux, etc. Simple is built with React as well as run as Electron. Now let us see the installation of Simplenote on ParrotOs. For that, switch to your terminal. First, install GDB, which is essential to install your required package. Check whether you have GDB installed in your machine or not by running apt get install. Next, download the package of Simplenote using wget command in .deb format. After downloading your package, install it using GDB. Once you are done with your installation, open up your application. For that, go to your Applications tab. Click on your Programming. You will be able to see your Simplenote application in this. Click on it to launch your application on your terminal. First, sign up with your user credentials. You have successfully created your account and your Simplenote application gets opened like this. Here you can go and see the added tags. If you want to add a new tag or start editing, you can very well do that. And thus we have seen how to install Simplenote on ParrotOs version 3.9. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel Linux Help. For further tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.